Hi, I'm Tamissah. I share simple tutorials to make your device cute and aesthetic. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I've made a new tab for Billie Eilish lovers. And I'll teach you how to make your new tab like mine. First, click on the link in the first comment. It'll take you to a Chrome extension named Superstart. To add it, press the button on the right. After adding it, click Get Started, then choose the template you want to edit. I chose this green template because I need the color green in the design I'm going to make. Press Start Tower, then they will give you some instructions. Read them and press Next. Tap Page Settings, then tap Page Style. Scroll down and tap Select Image to change the background. I chose this photo of Billie Eilish that I found on Pinterest. Now delete the widgets you don't need and move and resize the widgets as you like. Then click on Add Widgets and choose the one that suits you. Now I'll show you how to add bookmarks. Click on Add Widgets, then click on Bookmarks. Tap this icon, then tap Settings. Click Add New Link and paste the link of the website you want. Then click Update. Then click Style and select the list icon. Now we're going to change the widget's color. Tap the three dots above the widget, then tap Settings, then tap Style, and enable this option. From here, change the widget's background color. You can also pick a color from the background by tapping the small picker icon. Repeat the same steps for each widget. Now we're going to add some photos to our new tab by tapping Add Widgets and then tapping Photos. Add all the photos you want and arrange them however you like. Then change their colors to match the background. Click Add and upload the image you want. Then click Update. Repeat the same steps for each widget. And you can change the color of the top bar in the settings. And this is the final look of my new tab. I hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.